So this video is not going to be happy at all. I'm going to tell you what happened to the yellow duckling. So yesterday, unfortunately, the yellow duckling died. I don't know what was wrong. He was jumping out the box and he was looking over the box and he wasn't eating. And one day when I woke up, I just saw him dead. And no, I didn't give him something bad, or I didn't drop him or step on him. I just woke up to see him dead in the box. He was looking up because he jumps a lot, and probably because he was looking up, he fallen asleep when he was looking up, and then he died because he couldn't breathe. So nothing happened to the other ducklings. They're perfectly fine. I just digged the yellow duckling and made a grave for him next to his old siblings. If you don't know Easter, you probably don't because you never saw him. He was a black Muscovy duckling as well. And he passed away because I stepped on him on accident. And then we have April here. April died in the second day after he hatched. So he was very weak. He had neck problems, leg problems. Maybe my dog stepped on him a bit. I don't really think so because he was crawling under my dog. I don't know. But he also died, so. Today's video is not a video I always take. I apologize because I didn't post anything but these plants and just talk and talk. But I just wanted to let you know that if I don't film him anymore, doesn't mean I don't like him. So I have him next to my lake. I dug him up. You can't really see him because he's under the ground right now. Yep, he probably absorbed into the dirt. And yeah, and I'm very sorry of because I'm very sorry to my friends because it was their duckling. They were going on vacation and I was clearly in charge of giving him love and life. And I'm sorry if he died. I didn't expect it at all. So, bye guys.